Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to do a cold start of our Yamaha Virago XV250, also known as our Yamaha. Now there you go, it starts first kick every single time, whether hot or cold. Doesn't blow any smoke, even when cold, so the rings and the motor is beautiful. It rides like a new bike. There's absolutely no problems with it, and it's currently for sale. So if you're interested in buying this bike, it's located on the New South Wales mid-north coast, and it is currently being ridden by my daughter to work every other day or whenever she feels like it on a nice sunny day. And the bike has recently just passed a full roadworthy inspection. The bike is currently fully registered in New South Wales and has probably got about 10 months of registration left at the moment, or something like that anyway. So if you enjoyed this video, do me a favour, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.